wishing a good day to all viewers, and thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to give my views on the current situation in the stock markets. The stock markets are at all-time highs in spite of the ongoing pandemic as well as the inflation. And I think this is worrying a lot of people. However, I would like to say that if you had seen what happened after the first wave and the V-shaped recovery that we had, actually COVID is not really something which is, which the market is afraid of any longer. And that is showing not just in India, but globally. The other important thing in India has been the inflation going above 6%. Inflation actually is not really bad for the stock markets because it means that your finished products are commanding a higher value. It can have a problem with those companies where the raw material cost constitutes a major part of the cost of the products, and therefore they may not be able to really get any benefit out of the inflation. However, inflation is not negative for the markets. Yes, there can be an issue if interest rates are raised, and to some extent that has happened. There is also this worry about Fed action. However, there is not very much you can do about it. Yes, if they do raise interest rates, this is going to have an impact on global liquidity, which could actually mean that the funds that are flowing into the country will reduce. Now, in terms of the resistance that we are facing, 16,000 has been a major resistance point for the markets. However, it is consolidating around that level, and I think it's just a matter of time. And sooner than later, this will change and we may go beyond 16,000. And in a market, definitely which is a bull market, the evidence of which we see in the small caps and the run-up that is there in some of the small cap names. So I think this is a market in which you need to be cautious, and therefore really the best thing is to take expert advice, professional advice on how to invest in these markets. So while the markets have done well and that feeling of having missed out would be there, I think the opportunity is still there, and you should take help of professional people and invest in the markets. So happy investing, and I hope you make money on the stock markets.